Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tradespeople's Tips. Today we have a Mercedes Sprinter. Okay, let's start here. This is where you top up your screen wash. Pop the lid off, pour it in, clip it back down. Okay, this is where you pour your engine oil in, should you need to. Okay, just around here is your dipstick. You pull that out, make sure your engine has been sitting for a while so you know your oil is settled, and on the bottom of the dipstick there you have a minimum mark and a maximum mark. That's how you check your oil. Okay, should you need to top it up, straight back in through your cap. Okay, just inside here is your air filter. You'll use that. It hooks on at the back there and press down in the front. Okay, as we come over here now, this is our brake fluid reservoir, and on the side of here somewhere you should have a minimum and a maximum mark, so you know where your brake fluid levels at. If your brake fluid level starts to drop, you need to check your brake pads. It may be that they're wearing down. Here is your expansion tank. This is where you got your maximum mark again, and just under there you have a minimum. This is where you put your coolant in for your engine. Okay, one more thing I almost forgot. See, just down there, that is where you check your power steering fluid. Next to it is your oil filter housing. You won't be interfering with that. If I get my hand just down there, unscrew it, see? There, again, dipstick to tell you your levels. Put it back in, twist it closed. Okay people, so once again, see you later. Another thing you might want to know, just down there, passenger side, is where your bonnet pull is. Okay, again, I'm tired of saying see you later. Okay people, later.